Bring that fish
Get
to the
him.
boat.
Get him, come on. Yeah.
Bring that fish to the boat.
Keep getting him. Good job, dude. Turn it. Turn. Keep turning. Turn. Come on. You're doing good.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the cuda's flashing on bait earlier.
Oh, I just threw him a jig.
Come on. Go. You still on? Keep going, buddy. Come on. Keep going. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh. Keep going, dude. Get him.
It's bounce. Right at the boat. Let's go.
Oh, nice.
Here we go.
Yeah, look at that,
Couple
dude.
more turns. Up and up.
Okay, we're good. Let me see. Yeah, dude. Look at that. That's awesome. You got something? Keep going, dude. You still there? Okay, keep reeling.
I promise you.
Good job. Keep getting it.
I broke the line.
Oh, I see it.
Oh. Nice, dude.
Stop reeling, buddy. Perfect. Lift me.
Yeah, cool. Let me get a picture of you guys real quick. Thank you.
No worries. All right.
You got some? Yep. Oh, come on, dude. Look at that guy.
Good job.
That's a good proper one.
Keep going. Get up to the rail. Come on. Reel. This is a good one, man. Yeah. Yeah, look at that.
This is a
Father son killing it. That was a good one.
Yeah.
I think that was a good one, Brett. Oh, you got battled it out and everything.
Yeah.